Every time you submit a Elementor form, it triggers an error. In this video, I'll show you how you can solve this issue using the fully custom code. On the Elementor, it didn't provide any option to map the field, where Fluent Support required to map three mandatory fields: the title, the context, and the sender email. To make it work, I have written a fully custom code for everyone. This is the code I have written. I'll share the link in the video description. Make sure to copy the code to your site. First of all, just copy the exact code from there and add the code on your site. You can see I have added the code using a code snippet plugin. It's called Fluent Snippet. You can use any other plugin, or you can add the code on the function.php file. First, you need to change the webhook URL. I'm showing this tutorial on the same site, but it is applicable for any other site. Like if you want to collect from a different site, you can use the same code and it works for every site. Go to the Fluent Support and go to the setting, incoming webhook, and first select your business box. After that, copy the exact URL and replace it here. Then you need to map the field key with the Elementor form. This is the field key logic I have written here. So you need to replace them with your Elementor ID. Again, you need to go to your Elementor, go to the edit and click on your form. So if I go to the title, select the form field, go to the title and go to the advanced option, you can see I have added the element title. You can add any other name. Make sure you have to copy exact name. So copy the element title or the name you have given, go to again code. So instead of element title, you have to replace your ID if you use different one. So I am mapping this field with the Fluent Support title. So the field key is title, and here the element title from the element form. If you want to add or map more field, just copy this one exactly, paste it below, just here like this. Let's say you want to map the customer last name, just copy this one, go to the custom code, so just remove this one and add the value. Case elim name, you have to map with this one. Go to the edit, let's add another item, small, okay, go to advanced option. So this is the ID, copy this ID or change it, go to the code again. So elim name, instead of it should be this ID. In this way you can add more field or map Fluent Support more field. Last but not least, it's very important, go to the edit option, go to the action after submit. Make sure you do not have any action added like webhook or anything else. It will trigger an error because we are doing everything through the custom code. We do not need Elementor default webhook. Now let's test the form if it is work or not. Title, test title for YouTube. Let's copy this everything, name and email. YouTube. I'm just adding a random things. Okay, let's send. It's not showing any error. The form is submitted successfully. If I go to the Fluent Support again, activities, okay, test title for YouTube has been created. You can see test title for YouTube, test title for YouTube, and the email is youtube@gmail.com, the name I have given. In this way you can map Elementor forms with Fluent Support using the webhook. I hope this video is helpful. If you find the video is helpful, make sure to subscribe my channel for a lot of solution, and put a comment if you find any trouble or anything else. I will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching and have a very nice day.